Hello students, in this video we'll talk about importance of folic acid. Folic acid is given to you as a supplement along with iron as iron and folic acid tablets in schools. What is folic acid? Folic acid is nothing but it is vitamin B. To be specific, vitamin B9. Although it naturally occurs also in certain fruits and vegetables as folate, but its man-made form is called folic acid, which is given as supplements. Folic acid is a water-soluble vitamin. It is very important to know that it is not stored in the body. Whatever excess is there, it is passed out through urine. So that is why we need to have a regular supply of this vitamin. What is the function of folic acid in our body? Folic acid helps in the growth of new cells, production of DNA, and creation of new proteins. So in this way it is very important for our growth, especially during teenage we have growth spurts, so it helps in dealing that process. Also it helps in production of red blood cells, which helps in prevention of anemia. It helps in production of new hair also, so it promotes hair growth as well. Its deficiency results in poor growth, anemia, premature grey hair, thin hair, diarrhea, mouth ulcers. So to prevent all these deficiencies, we should not forget to take our supplements. Thank you.